Good morning children. These video classes are very useful for 10th standard students as well as the forthcoming 10th students. So listen the videos carefully and work out in classwork and send it through WhatsApp. And yesterday we completed in exercise 1.2 first 3 sums completed. Today we are going to see its continuation. Children listen. Function definition. Listen the rough work. F is a function from x to y. Okay. A relation f. Listen the rough idea. A relation f. A relation f between two non-empty sets x and y. Between two non-empty sets. Two non-empty sets x and y, a relation f between two non-empty sets x and y is called a function from x to y. Is called a function from x to y. Is called a function from x to y if for each x belongs to x, for each x belongs to x, for each x belongs to x, there exists only one y belongs to y. There exists only one y belongs to y, such that x comma y belongs to f, that is which is meant by. Now we want to give the definition in set builder form, that is the function f is equal to the function f as the elements is of the form x comma y, which is x comma y is the ordered pairs, such that for all x belongs to x, for all x belongs to x, there exists only one y belongs to y. So which is the definition for function. Again listen, a relation f between two non-empty sets x and y is called a function from x to y if for each x belongs to x, there exists only one y belongs to y, such that x comma y belongs to f, that is f is equal to x comma y such that for all x belongs to x, there exists only one y belongs to y, which is the definition for function. Now domain comma codomain and range of a function. Listen, domain, codomain and range of a function. See, for example, let us consider two sets A and B. Let us consider two sets A and B, in which suppose the elements 1, 2, 3, and here suppose 2, 3, 4. Here f is a function from A to B. F is a function from A to B. Okay. Now we want to learn about domain, codomain, range of a function. Let A set is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B set is equal to 2, 3, 4. Suppose f is a function from A to B. Okay. Now here suppose 1's image 1, 2's image 3, 3's image 4. Now domain is equal to, listen, domain of the function f is equal to, domain is given by all the elements in the A set, that is in the first set. So domain of the function f is given by all the elements in the first set, that is which is equal to A set. So domain is equal to 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next codomain. Codomain. See, codomain is given by, that is second set, which is B set. So take all the elements in the second set is said to be codomain. So codomain is equal to 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now range. Listen, range is the set of all images. Range is equal to the set of all images. Listen, here 1's image 2, 2's image 3, 3's image 4. Here 2, 3, 4 are set of all images. Therefore, range is equal to 2, 3, 4. Okay. Suppose let us consider some other example. Suppose A set is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B set is equal to 2, 3. Now, let us consider 1's image 2 and 2's image 3. Okay, 2's image 3. Here there is one extra element. Okay, now consider. Suppose like this. Listen again. Which is that is a function f from a to b. Let 1's image 2, 2's image 3. Now I want to answer domain, codomain, range. Here domain is given by the first set, all the elements in the first set, that is domain equal to 1, 2. Okay, can you tell me what is codomain? Yes. Second set fully codomain. So codomain equal to 2, 3, 7. Range equal to, what is range? Yes, set of all images. Range is equal to 2, 3. Now let us prepare rough preparation. See, for example, A set, B set. Okay, A set, B set. And let f is a function from A to B. Let A set, B set, and f is a function from A to B, and which is a rough work, that is rough preparation for our further study. Suppose let the elements 1, 2, 3 and 2, 3, 4. Now listen, here 1's image 2, 2's image 3, 2's image 3. Okay. And suppose 4 available. Okay, no need this 4. Now listen, f is a function from A to B. Let A set equal to 1, 2, 3 and B set equal to 2, 3. Now 1's image 2, 2's image 3. Now we want to answer whether f is a function from A to B or not. So that is our aim. Listen, we want to verify whether f is a function from A to B or not. Okay, what is the definition of a function? For each x belongs to x, there exists only one y belongs to y. Then only it is a function. Otherwise, for each x belongs to x, there exists unique image in y. So which is a function. Here only one means unique. For each x belongs to x, there exists unique image in y. Then only it is a function. Here 1's image 2, 2's image 3 and 3 has no image. Therefore, here 3 belongs to A, has no image in B. Here 3 belongs to A, has no image in B. Listen carefully. Here the element 3 belongs to A, has no image in B. Therefore, it is not a function. For each x belongs to x, there exists only one y belongs to y. Then only it is a function. For each x belongs to x, there exists unique image in B. Then only it is a function. Here 3 belongs to A. 3 belongs to A, has no image in B. Therefore, it is not a function. Okay, it is one idea. Let it be the first one. Now listen, second one. Suppose A set and B set. Consider the elements 2, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5. Suppose, listen carefully, 1's image 4 and let us consider one more element, suppose 6. Okay. 2's image 5 and 2's image 6 and 3's image 4. So which is one example. Now listen again. 1's image 4, 2's image 5, 3's image 6. Sorry. 1's image 4, 2's image 5, 2's image, again 2's image 6 and 3's image 4. Listen, 1's image 4 which is a unique image, 1's image 4, okay, unique image, and but there are, that is 2's image 5, 2's image 6. So for 2 there are 2 images in B. Here also, here one more idea, here 3 has only one image, okay, 1 has only one image, that is unique image, 3 has only one image, that is unique image, but 2 has 2 images in B. So we want to answer here 2 belongs to A. Here 2 belongs to A as 2 images in B. Here 2 belongs to A as 2 images, 2 images, 5 belongs to B and 6 belongs to B. 5 belongs to B and 6 belongs to B. Therefore, it is not a function. Therefore, it is not a function. Therefore, it is not a function. Okay. The first one, listen to again first case. Here 3 has no image in B. 3 belongs to A, has no image in B. Therefore, it is not a function. It is not a function. Okay. Here 2 has 2 images. Therefore, it is not a function. So, to answer not a function, we have 2 ideas. To answer not a function, to answer not a function, we have 2 ideas. That is first one, second one. To answer a function, that is to answer f is not a function, there exist 2 ideas. First one is at least one element in the domain has no image in codomain. Therefore, f is not a function. Okay, listen here. One element has 2 or more than 2 images, then f is not a function. Listen again. To answer not a function, we have 2 ideas. First one is at least one element in the domain has no image in codomain. Therefore, f is not a function. Second, one element has 2 or more images, then f is not a function. That's all. And suppose, listen, A set, B set, A set, B set, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now listen, see 1's image 5 and 1's image 6. Next, 2's image 5, 2's image, suppose 2's image 5, 3's image 6 and 3's image 7, 4's image 7. Now we want to identify whether it is a function or not. Okay, anyone? Whether it is a function or not? Yes, no. What is the reason? Yes, 2 elements has more than one image. Here the element 1 and 3 has 2 images in codomain, therefore it is not a function. Therefore it is not a function. Say for example, suppose A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. Now A's image D. Okay. Next, B's image E and C's image F. Whether it is a function or not? Anyone? Yes. Yes, it is a function because let it be A set, B set. For each element in the domain, there exists only one image in codomain. That is, for each element in the domain has unique image in codomain. Therefore, here which is a function, that is f is a function from A to B. Example 1.6, let set x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and the set y is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. and the relation capital R is given by 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 4 comma 3 comma 6 comma 4 comma 8, so that R is a function, so that the relation R is a function, and where and is a conjunction, and find its domain, codomain and range. Listen again. Let X is a set which can take the values 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, and Y is a set which has the elements 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma 10, and the relation capital R equal to 1 comma 2 2 comma 4 3 comma 6 4 comma 8, so that the relation R is a function, and find its domain, codomain and range. Find the domain, codomain, range of this function. Okay. See here, first we want to prove R is a function. Then we want to find, if R is a function, then only we can find a domain, codomain, range. Okay. First take given. Listen. First take the topics given to find, then solution. Listen. First data given. Suppose given. Okay. What is given? Yes. X set. The set X is equal to, the set X is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay. Next. Yes. The set Y is equal to, the set Y is equal to, what are the elements Y? Yes. 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma 10. Okay. Next. So okay, X set, Y set, and there is a relation R is given. The relation R is given by the ordered pairs 1 comma 2 2 comma 4. Okay. Next 3 comma 6. Next 4 comma 8. Complete the flower bracket. Okay. Given over. So given data, given information, X and Y are two sets, and the relation R is given. So given data is over. Next, so that meant by prove that. So that and prove that are same and one. Okay. Now let us take the topic prove that. Listen. To prove. Okay. To prove R is a relation. See here, R is a relation. R is a relation, but we want to prove R is a function. So to prove R is a function. To prove R is a function. Okay. We want to prove R is a function. Next, find its domain, codomain, range. If it is a function, then we want to find a domain, codomain, range. Okay. Given, to find, to prove. Next topic is to find. Okay. To find domain, comma, codomain and range. Okay, which is a topic. Now, listen, first step, we want to prove R is a function, and the next topic, domain, codomain, range. Okay, for that, take the given relation as it is. Now, the given relation is capital R is equal to, yes, 1 comma 2, next 2 comma 4, next 3 comma 6, next 4 comma 8, complete. Okay. First we want to prove R is a function. For that, let us draw the arrow diagram for this. Arrow diagram for this. Suppose, listen, arrow diagram for this, which is first set is X, and second set is Y. Listen, X and Y. Okay. Now, first set X, and the X set contains the elements 1 to 4. Okay. First set contains the elements 1 to 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. That is Y set contains the elements, what are they? Yes. Y set is equal to 2, next 4, next 6, next 8, next 10. Okay. Now, which is a relation? R is a relation. Okay. Here, R is a relation. We want to prove R is a function. Okay. Now, we want to map. See, how to map? Listen. Here, 1 is related to 2, which means 1's image 2. So, 1's image 2. Okay. Next ordered pair. 2 is related to 4, means 2's image 4. Yes, 2's image 4. Next, 3 is related to 6, which means 3's image 6. 3's image 6. Okay. Next, 4 is related to 8. Therefore, 4's image 8. 4's image 8. Okay, that's all. Now, we want to answer whether R is a function or not. So that R is a function. To prove R is a function. Okay. Now, from this arrow diagram, each element in X has an unique image in Y. Listen again. Each element in X has an unique image in Y. Therefore, R from X to Y is a function. Okay. Now, we want to answer here each element in X has an unique image in Y. Here, each element in X. Okay. Here, each element in X has an unique image in Y. So, that is the definition of a function. Okay. Each element in X has an unique image in Y. As an unique image. As an unique image in Y. Here, each element in X has an unique image in Y. Therefore, R from X to Y is a function. Therefore, R from X to Y is a function. Okay. So, for this question, we want to answer two topics. First one, so that R is a relation. So that R is a function. Yes, we proved a function. That is, R is a function. To prove R is a function, it is enough to verify each element in X has an unique image in Y. Therefore, R from X to Y is a function. So, first part completed. Now, let us move second part. The part 2, we want to find a domain of the function. That is, domain is equal to domain. Okay. Domain is in a function, domain is given by all the first set elements. See, from the arrow diagram, domain is equal to all the first set elements. What are they? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, domain of the function is 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, codomain. See, how to find a codomain? Yes, the second set fully known as codomain. In a function, listen, in a function, the first set fully domain and the second set fully codomain. So, codomain is equal to okay, codomain is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, including this 10. Okay, codomain is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Complete the flower bracket. Okay, next range. Okay, range is equal to, what is the definition of range? Anyone? Yes, the set of all images is called range. Listen, here 1's image 2, 2's image 4, 3's image 6, 4's image 8. Here 2, 4, 6, 8 are the range elements, that is images. So therefore range is equal to 2 comma yourself 4 comma 6 comma 8. That's all. Range is equal to. Again the conclusion is domain equal to first set all the elements, codomain equal to second set all the elements, but range is equal to the set of all images is called range. Hence the answer. Example 1.7. A relation f is defined by f of x equal to x square minus 2, where x belongs to minus 2 comma minus 1 comma 0 comma 3. That means x can take the values minus 2 comma minus 1 comma 0 comma 3. There are two questions. First one, list the elements of f. That means we want to write ordered pairs of f. Okay, next is f is a function. They asked a question. We want to answer two questions. Okay, second part is f is a function. To prove f is a function, it is enough to prove each element in the domain of f as an unique image. Again, to prove f is a function, it is enough to prove each element in the domain of f as an unique image. Then only f is a function. We want to verify. Okay, first take given data. Given. Okay, anyone? What are the given datas? Yes, given datas, f of x is given. F of x equal to x square minus 2. Okay, such that x belongs to, x can take the values minus 2 comma minus 1 comma 0 comma 3. Okay, f of x given and x can take the values minus 2 comma minus 1 comma 0 comma 3. Okay, these two are information. That's all given over. Next, first to find list the elements of f, and next is f is a function that you want to find. To find first subdivision, list the elements of f. List the elements of f. Okay, first. What is second? Second is f a function? Is f a function? This you want to verify. Okay, given to find. Now take f of x. F of x is equal to x square minus 2. F of x is given, and where x can take the values minus 2 comma next minus 1 comma next 0 comma next 3 comma 3. Okay, now okay, anyone here after yourself? Very good. So when x is equal to minus 2, such that when x is equal to minus 2, substitute x equal to minus 2, that is x is replaced by minus 2. So f of minus 2. F of minus 2 equal to, yes, minus 2 the whole square, because x is equal to minus 2. X can take the value minus 2. X is replaced by minus 2. So put x equal to minus 2, x is equal to minus 2, x is replaced by minus 2, the whole square, minus 2. Already minus 2 is available. Okay. Again, when x is equal to minus 2 means x is replaced by minus 2, x is replaced by minus 2. Okay, which is equal to, yes, negative the whole square gives positive. Yes, your answer correct. 4. Already minus 2. 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Okay, what is ordered pair? Yes, minus 2 comma 2 is the ordered pair, which implies minus 2 comma 2, which implies minus 2 comma 2 is the ordered pair. Okay, next x value, yes, minus 1. that is when x is equal to minus 1 such that now x equal to minus 1 means what? X is replaced by minus 1, x is replaced by minus 1. Okay. Now x is replaced by minus 1 is equal to minus 1 the whole square minus 2 is equal to minus 1 the whole square, yes, plus 1 minus 2. Okay, 1 minus 2 equal to, yes, minus 1. Your answer is correct. Which implies, what is ordered pair? When x equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 1. That is minus 1 comma minus 1. Okay, next. What is the next x value? Yes, 0. When x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0 such that when x equal to 0 means what? X is replaced by 0, x is replaced by 0. Okay, here x is replaced by 0. F of 0 is equal to, yes, 0 the whole square minus 2 which is equal to 0 square equal to 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2 equal to minus 2, which implies, can you tell me the ordered pair? Yes, 0 comma minus 2. 0 comma minus 2. Next x value, yes, when x is equal to 3. When x is equal to 3 such that f of 3 is equal to, f of 3 means what? X is replaced by 3 and x is replaced by 3. Okay, f of 3 is equal to 3 the whole square minus 2. Okay, yourself 3 square equal to 9, already minus 2. So 9 minus 2 equal to 7, which implies, what is the ordered pair? Yes, 3 comma 7. 3 comma 7 is the ordered pair. Okay, next x value? Yes, no value because x can takes minus 2, minus 1, 0, 3. That is a given data. So we can't substitute x equal to 4, x equal to 5, etc. Okay, now there are two questions. First question, list the elements of f. So the first topic, list the elements of f. That means first subdivision, the elements of f. The elements of f is the topic. The elements of f is given by f is equal to, okay, what are the ordered pairs? Yes, minus 2 comma 2, minus 2 comma 2, next minus 1 comma minus 1, next 0 comma minus 2, next element 3 comma 7, complete the floor bracket. So first subdivision, the elements of f is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 ordered pairs. Remember 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, list out the elements of f completed. Now subdivision 2. Subdivision 2, what do you want to subdivide? What is a subdivision 2? Subdivision 2 is f is a function. Is f is a function? We want to verify whether f is a function or not. Okay. To prove f is a function, it is enough to verify each element in the domain of f as an unique image. So for the second part, to answer f is a function or not, for our convenience, let us draw the arrow diagram. For our convenience, arrow diagram. Listen, arrow diagram is given by, here first set can takes the elements from x and second set, suppose second set, here second set is nothing but f of x. Here x is the element and f of x is the image. Okay, here x can take the elements, what are they? Yes, minus 2 comma minus 1 comma 0 comma 3. So x can take the elements minus 2 comma minus 1 comma 0 comma 3. Okay, now remember the technique is 2's image, sorry, minus 2's image 2, minus 2's image 2. So minus 2's image 2, minus 2's image 2. Okay, next minus 1's image minus 1. Yes, minus 1's image minus 1. So minus 1's image minus 1. Next 0's image minus 2. Yes, 0's image minus 2. Next 3's image 7. Yes, here 3's image 7. Okay. Now verify the definition for a function. Each element in the domain, so the first set is the domain. Okay, the first set is the domain and the second set is the codomain. Each element in the domain has an unique image in f of x. Therefore f is a function. Therefore f is a function. Okay, now I want to answer, that is each element in the domain each element in the domain, okay, each element in the domain has an unique image in f of x. That is each element in the domain of f, because here f is a function. Each element of the domain of f, each element in the domain of f has an unique image in f of x. Unique image in f of x. Okay, again, each element in the domain of f has an unique image in f of x. Therefore f is a function. Therefore f is a function. Therefore f is a function. Okay, there are two questions. We are asked to find the two questions. First, list the elements of f. Yes, the elements of f is equal to minus 2 comma 2, minus 1 comma 1, 0 comma minus 2, 3 comma 7. Second part is f is a function. Yes, f is a function because each element in the domain of f has an unique image in f of x. Therefore f is a function. So they asked is f is a function, which means yes or no type. So while answering yes, f is a function. So because it is a yes or no question, so yes, it is a function, or yes, f is a function. Okay, hence the answer. Next, example 1.8. If x is a set which can take the values minus 5 comma 1 comma 3 comma 4, and y is a set which has the elements a comma b comma c, then which of the following relations are functions from x to y? Which of the following relations, listen, which of the following relations are functions from x to y? So there are how many relations given? Yes, 3 relations. Say R1, R2, R3 are the 3 relations given. We want to verify which of the following are relations, that is which of the following are functions from x to y. Relations given, we want to verify whether these relations are function or not. So that is our aim. Now come to subdivision 1. Listen, subdivision 1 is given by subdivision 1. Subdivision 1 is R1 is equal to minus 5 comma a, next 1 comma a, next 3 comma b. Complete the floor bracket. Okay, R1 is the first relation is given. To verify R1 is a function or not, let us draw the array diagram first. Okay, listen, array diagram for this. Yes, here x set, y set given. Let us draw the array diagram. Arrow diagram. Yes, here x set, y set, and given that R1 is a relation. Okay. Now, X set can take the values, yes, minus 5, 1, 3, 4. Okay. Y set can take the elements, yes, A, and let us give different color for that. Suppose Y set can take the elements A, B, C. Okay. Now, from the relation 1, minus 5 is image A, minus 5 is image A. Therefore, here relation 1, minus 5 is image A. Next, second order pair, 1's image A. Yes, 1's image A. Again, minus 5's image A, 1's image A. Next, 3's image B. Yes, 3's image B. Now you want to answer whether R1 is a function or not. Okay. Anyone? Yes, whether it is a function or not? Yes, not a function. What is the reason? Yes, good. Here, the element 4 belongs to X, has no image in Y. Therefore, R1 is not a function. Okay, again, what is the reason? The element 4 belongs to X, has no image in Y. Therefore, R1 is not a function from X to Y. Okay, now I want to write reason. Here, 4 belongs to X. Okay, here 4 belongs to X. 4 belongs to X, has no image in Y. As no image in Y, no image in Y. Therefore, the relation R1 is not a function from X to Y. Therefore, R1 is not a relation, sorry, not a function, not a function. R1 is not a function from X to Y. Okay, first subdivision completed. R1 is not a function from X to Y. What is the reason? The element 4 belongs to X, has no image in Y. Therefore, R1 is not a function from X to Y. Okay, now come to subdivision 2. Subdivision 2 is given by R2 is the relation. Okay. What are the elements R2? Yes, minus 5 comma B, comma, next element 1 comma B, next element 3 comma A, next element 4 comma C. Complete the flower bracket. Okay, to answer R2 is a function or not, first let us draw the arrow diagram. Arrow diagram for this. Suppose, listen, arrow diagram is given by first X set, yes, X set is given, next Y set. Yes, X, Y. Here R2 is a relation given. Now X set can take the values as per the data. Yes, very good. Minus 5. X set can take the values minus 5. Next 1. Next 3. Next 4. Okay. Y set elements are, yes, A, B, C. Okay. Now from the ordered pair, minus 5 is image B. Minus 5 is image B. Where it is here? Minus 5 is image B. Yes. Minus 5 is image B. Next, from the ordered pair, 1's image B. So 1's image B, that is 1's image B. Yes, minus 5's image B, 1's image B. Next, 3's image A. Okay, 3's image A. Yes, 3's image A. 3's image A completed. Next, yes, 4's image C. 4's image C. See where it is? Yes, draw force image C. Okay, here R2 is a relation. We want to verify whether R2 is a function or not. And a function means each element in X has an unique image in Y. Then R2 is a function. Okay, listen. Here minus 5's image B. Yes, minus 5 has unique image, only one image. Okay. Next come to here. 1 has, say 1's image B. Yes, 1 has only one image. Minus 5 has one image, only one image, that is unique image. Minus 5 has one image, that is unique image. 1 has unique image, only one image. So these two verified. Okay, next. 3's image A. Yes, 3 has only one image, that is 3 has unique image in Y. Yes, okay, next. 4's image C, that is 4 belongs to X, has unique image C belongs to Y, that is unique image C which is belongs to Y. Again, minus 5's image B, that is unique image. 1's image B, yes, 1 has unique image. 3's image A, 3 has unique image. 4's image C, yes, 4 has unique image. Therefore, each element in X has an unique image in Y. Therefore, R2 is a function from X to Y. Okay, now I want to write reason. Here, each element in X, each element in X, here each element in X has an unique image in Y, as an unique image, as an unique image in Y. Therefore, R2 from X to Y is a function. Otherwise, one can write in sentence form, therefore, R2 is a function from X to Y. Therefore, R2 is a function. R2 is a function from X to Y. Okay. Now, subdivision 3. Subdivision 3 is R3 is a relation is given by R3 is a relation. What are the ordered pairs? Yes, minus 5 comma A. Okay, second element is 1 comma A. Okay, third element is given by 3 comma B. Next, fourth element 4 comma C. Next, 1 comma B. Complete the fluid bracket. Okay. Again verification, minus 5 comma A, 1 comma A, 3 comma B, 4 comma C, 1 comma B. To verify the relation R3 is a function from X to Y, it is enough to verify each element in X as an unique image in Y. So that is a definition for function. Let us draw the array diagram for this. Listen, array diagram for this. First, X set. Okay. Next, Y set. Suppose. Okay. Listen, X set and Y set. X set can take the values from the given data. Yes, minus 5, 1, 3, 4. Yes, X set contains the elements minus 5, 1, 3, 4. Okay. Y set elements, what are they? Yes, A, B, C. Yes, it is clear that Y set elements are A, B, C. Okay. From the relation, we want to map. Okay. How to map? Using pencil work. Minus 5's image A, minus 5's image A. Yes. Minus 5's image A. Yes, we used 2 colors over. Okay, minus 5's image A. Next, 1's image A. Yes, 1's image A. Next, 3's image B. Yes, 3's image B. Next, yourself, Yes, force image C. Yes, force image C. Next, yes, one's image B. Yes, that is one's image B. Okay. Now we want to verify here R3 is a relation given. R3 is a relation from X to Y. We want to verify whether R3 is a function or not. Okay. Now listen, the verification is very simple. Minus 5's image A. Yes, minus 5 has only one image, that is unique image. Yes, minus 5 verification over. Here after yourself. Okay, next come to 1. Okay, start. One's image A, one's image B. The element 1 belongs to X as two images in Y. Again, the element 1 belongs to X as two images, A belongs to Y and B belongs to Y. Therefore, R3 is not a function. Also come to let us verify 3 and 4 also. 3's image B, yes, 3 has only one image, that is 3 has unique image. 4's image C, so 4 has only one image, that is 4 has unique image. Here 5 has only one image, that is unique image, and 3 has only one image, that is unique image. 4 has only one image, that is unique image. But the element 1 belongs to X as two images, A belongs to Y and B belongs to Y. Therefore, R3 is not a function from X to Y. So, to answer is not a function, there exist two ideas. That is, at least one element in X has no image in Y, then it is not a function. Next, say one element has two or more images is not a function. Okay. Now we want to answer. The answer part is very simple. Here 1 belongs to X. Here 1 belongs to X as two images. As two images. As two images, A belongs to Y and B belongs to Y. A belongs to Y and B belongs to Y. Okay, that's all. The element 1 belongs to X has two images, A belongs to Y and B belongs to Y. Therefore, R3 is not a function from X to Y. Therefore, R3 is not a function. R3 is not a function. R3 is not a function from X to Y. Okay, that's all. Today we completed two sums from the relation, and for homework for you, example 3 and 4 left for your homework. So complete your homework in same classwork and send through WhatsApp, and that is 9th to 10th students. Watch the video continuously one sum, then and there complete your classwork. And see, for 10th students, watch the video fully. It is helpful for your coming public examination. Best of luck. Thank you.